Welcome to JH. The Nolvy Eyerest Pro sounds quite impressive on paper, doesn't it? It claims to be the ultimate eye relief device, using gentle heat, massage, and vibration to banish puffiness and eye strain. But before you start dreaming of a spa day for your face, we need to ask, is this thing actually legit? Let's break it down together, and you'll want to stick around until the end because the red flags start flying early. I mean, who doesn't love a good mystery, especially when it involves your hard-earned cash? The first major concern is a classic, the as seen in lie. They claim to be featured in heavy hitters like Vogue and Cosmopolitan, but there is absolutely zero proof of this anywhere on the internet. Usually, real brands are tripping over themselves to show off actual links or screenshots of their press coverage. But here, we get nothing but silence. I suppose they're featured in the same way I'm featured on the cover of Time magazine every time I look in a mirror. It looks less like professional recognition and more like a desperate marketing trick. Then we have the product images, which are, to put it lightly, suspicious. Upon closer inspection, many of these photos seem to be copied straight from random corners of the web. Real brands actually bother to hire a photographer and take their own photos, rather than relying on digital leftovers floating around online. It's hard to trust a product when the company can't even be bothered to take a picture of the actual item they're selling you. Apparently, hiring a photographer was too much work, so they just hit copy-paste and hoped no one noticed. Next up is the high-pressure sales tactics. You've seen them before, the massive 50% discount and those dramatic only 8 items left warnings that pop up every 5 seconds. It's a textbook move to make you buy before you have time to think, which is usually a sign that they don't want you thinking at all. Oh no, only 8 left? I'm sure that stock level hasn't been sitting at 8 since the dawn of the internet. It feels more like a frantic push for your credit card number than a genuine limited-time offer. They also promise spa-like relief in just 10 minutes a day, claiming to fix everything from blood flow to tension. It sounds like a miracle, but sadly, there's no clinical backing or independent proof that this device can actually do any of it. Without real reviews or scientific data, these claims are about as reliable as a weather forecast for next year. Finally, let's talk about those perfect reviews on their website. Every single one is glowing, yet if you check a trusted site like Trustpilot, there is absolutely nothing. It's truly a miracle how they managed to find the only 50 people on Earth who love the product while remaining completely invisible to the rest of the world. So, is the Nolvy Eyerest Pro legit? Based on the fake magazine mentions, stolen images, and manufactured urgency, the red flags are practically a parade at this point. It's definitely safer to keep your money and avoid this one entirely. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy not getting scammed, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.